Hello and welcome everybody. Today we are going to cover the second lesson on the administrative panel of the system, specifically on the students module. So right now I'm going to teach you how to promote students on the system. So as you can see, we've already logged into the admin panel and we're on the home page under the students tab. This is the students module. So the next link there is the promote students link. So if you want to promote a student, just click on the promote students link. After you click on this link, it brings you to the student promotion center. So as it is shown there, ensure that you have terminated the candidate class. It's important to note that this candidate class is the senior most class. And once you want to promote students, you have to make sure that all the students in the candidate class have been terminated before. So when we say termination, we will come to that. So first I'll teach you how to promote students, then later in the series I'll teach you how to terminate students. So do not worry about that, so it will come later. And it's also important to note that you should promote classes in descending order. That is, you start with the senior most class. Now after you've terminated the candidate class, start with the senior most class after that, coming downwards to the least class. So in a hypothetical situation, we are taking, if it's the 4 system, you begin with the class 7, promoting them, coming downwards up to the nursery class. In the case for a primary school, and if it's the case for a secondary school, you just begin with the promoting the form 3s after you've terminated the form 4s. So you begin with the form 3s, 2 and 1. So, and the tip down there, if you cannot see the promote students button, if this button does not appear, just know that you have not completely terminated all students in the candidate class. So if this button right here, let me hover over it, if it doesn't appear, just know that you haven't completely terminated all students in the candidate class, and you'll have to do that before this button appears. So okay, actually the only thing you have to do here when you want to promote students is you just click on the promote students button. So once you click on this button, after you've terminated the candidate class, once you click on this button, you will be out, all the students will be automatically promoted. So you just click on this, and it just gives you a notice there, the promotion is successful. So once it gives you this notice, just scroll upwards and click on the admin link up here. So we click on it and it takes you to the home page. So it's important to note that all these students have been promoted. So if it was in the case of the first student here, is being promoted from class 2 to 3 north, and the student that we'd added earlier has been promoted from class 1, class 2, and the other one has been promoted from nursery to class 1. So maybe I'll do that again so that you can see it. So let's go to promote students. We can promote them once again. The button does appear, so there is also an option to promote them. So when we promote them, and then it gives you the notice, and you click on the admin link so that it can take you to the admin homepage, you'll note that they have also been promoted again. So in this case, the student has been promoted to class 4, this one has been promoted to class 3, and this one has been promoted to class 2. So that's it for now. That's how you promote students. So it is important to ensure that you have terminated all the candidate class students before you promote. And it's also useful to note that once you go to the promotion center, like this case, and you fail to see the promote students button, just know that you have not terminated the candidate class. So you have to terminate all students in the senior-most class before you promote the rest. Thank you for now. We will continue with more lessons in later series.